How to create an IMO account. Ready to start making free video calls and sending messages on IMO? Let's get your account set up in just a few simple steps. First things first, let's open the IMO. You can see my IMO right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Then it will ask you to send the notification. Simply tap on allow, then tap on agree, then allow manage the phone calls and everything. Then you have to enter your phone number right over here. Simply enter it, then tap on this tick mark right over here, then confirm it, then tap on allow, and let's wait for a while. The app might automatically read the code and fill it for you, and you can see it have already filled it. Let's add the name, then tap on this tick mark. You can add your profile right over here by tapping in here and adding a photo right over here. Let's choose one of the photo, allow to the photos and videos, maybe this one. Let's make it, then tap on tick and tap on save. Now you will be receiving login verification codes primarily to the email, and it also says your email won't be visible to others. So let's keep the email right over here, or you can just escape the process by tapping on the escape right over here, but it's better if you keep your email. Let's keep my email, then tap on this tick mark. Now enter the code. It's checking the code and allow to the contacts, and it's done. And that's it, your account is created. You are all set to explore your contacts and make your first call. Wasn't that easy? That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.